One of the fragrant flowering plants is the tuberose plant that grows such type of beautiful flowers. And in this video we will discuss all about tuberose plant care, how to grow tuberose bulbs at home step by step and much more. So keep watching this video and do subscribe to our channel. Tuberose plant is a summer flowering plant locally grown in tropical climate areas like India. Their main beauty is their refreshing scent, which can fill your whole garden with a pleasant smell. They are basically grown in the ground but can be grown in pots with proper care. It's a permanent plant which can survive for years with you. One exciting thing is that their bulbs also divide under the soil, so you can multiply them that way too. For starting tuberose plants at home, you can buy such bulbs from a garden shop. They are also linked in the description box if you like to buy. Try to choose big size and rigid bulbs because they grow stronger plants. You can sow these bulbs when their growing season starts, and if you like to, you can also buy their mature plants from a local nursery. They are available in summers. The first and the most important thing in tuberose plant care is understanding their growing season. Tuberose plant is a warm area plant. Their growing season starts in the early springs and continues over the whole summer months. In the monsoon time, they grow such type of a stick and grow such flowers. Their flowers stays fully fresh and fragrant for almost 2 weeks. Once the summers are over and the temperature starts on decreasing in winters, tuberose plant shows a stunted growth and starts to dry out. You can either save their bulbs in a dry area or you can also move them indoors somewhere a little warm. Hopefully they will grow again in the next springs. And here you can also subscribe to our channel for more videos. Another important thing to grow tuberose flowers is their soil media. In a hard and compact type of a mixture, tuberose bulbs can't breathe and grow, so they show very stunted growth. While in a well-draining and a slightly loose soil media, they grow very fast, producing green healthy leaves and flowers. Just make sure the mixture you are going to use is not water blocking and not so much compact. You can also use this homemade mixture made with very simple ingredients. Video on this is linked in the description box and I button. Another important thing in tuberose plant care is their pot size. As you know, they have bulbs or tubers growing under them, so in a small pot, they can't divide and multiply. So a wider grow bag is essential. Also in a small size pot, tuberose plant hardly grow new roots, which results in lesser flowers. You can simply choose an 8 to 10 inches deeper grow bag with a good width. They are also linked in the description box to buy. For planting tuberose bulbs, simply fill half of the grow bag like this and place your bulbs equally apart from one another. Place the root side downward. This is the root side. You can also buy tuberose bulbs from the description box link. Now cover them with same soil media up to their head. Don't worry if you place them upside down, still the new shoots will find their way out of the soil. Now water the soil until it's a little moist. Don't make the soil wet, just a little moisture in the soil is enough to make them sprout. Now place the pot in a semi-shaded area for a few days. Within a week or so, they will show you some green shoots coming out of the soil. Now they will get bigger and bigger with the time. Just keep the soil a little moist and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Sunlight is another important thing in tuberose plant care. At this stage of growth, keep your tuberose plants in a sunny area. It's important for the healthiest growth of tuberose plants. You can provide them a full day of sunlight, but at least make sure of 3 to 5 hours of direct sunlight. In hot summers like in June and July, you can move them temporarily to a less sunny area. Otherwise, tuberose flowers love sunlight. Deficiency of light may appear in the form of yellow and drying leaves, so make sure of a sunny spot. For learning in depth about yellow leaves and their solutions, check out the article added in the description box. After a month or so, tuberose plants will be big enough to be fertilized. Proper fertilization is another important thing in tuberose plant care. You can use any balanced fertilizer. You can use compost, cow dung, mustard cake. But this is the fertilizer that will work the best. It's made only for flowering plants according to their requirements. Video on this is added in the description box. Make it and use it every 2 weeks in the growing season of tuberose plants. Within a few more days, you will see such type of a stick will grow out of the base and make such type of buds and flowers on it. At this stage, make sure the soil is nutrients enriched. This will keep the flowers coming. So it's all about tuberose plant care guide. Follow this video to know more of such summer flowering plants and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.